Did you know that Amazon shoppers purchase up to 8,600 products every single minute? Yet most merch sellers are still guessing which keywords are driving sales. With print on demand rocketing towards a $103 billion market by 2034 and breakout niches like pickleball apparel racing to a $1 billion market by 2031, watch me find winning keywords in under 60 seconds and show you how you can do the same. Let's get started. All right, so I've made this incredibly easy for you. We created this Amazon keyword research tool that goes out to Amazon and finds all of the auto-suggested keywords from your base keyword term. So that takes a lot of the heavy lifting and a lot of the manual time it takes to just filter through all that data and bring it right back to you. So let's go with pickleball. I'm just gonna type in pickleball and just run a search, and this is really fast. So literally less than a second, we have so much keyword data here that's coming from Amazon and using Google search volume data to analyze and give you this data here. So got pickleball, pickleball court, pickleball paddles, pickleball set, pickleball racket, balls, net, bag, paddle equipment, hat, outfit. You can start to see if you're an Amazon merch seller or you're selling merchandise on Amazon, you can come into here and look at these really good keywords and find out what people are searching for. So pickleball shirt in this example. Under search volume, if I scroll up, you got search volume, trend data, average CPC data, and competition. If we go back to that shirt, 9,900 searches are per month, and you can look at the trending data here to see which months are performing the best. So, and you also can see, the CPC, cost per click, across the board, and of course it's very competitive. There's a lot of people advertising around this keyword. But this is a great keyword research tool. It's completely free right now over at Merch Titans under free tools. See, we got the Amazon keyword research. We also have Google keyword research, Etsy keyword research, and YouTube keyword research that work the exact same. So depending on the marketplace you're selling on, it's a fantastic place to start. Sometimes I use this to just do niche research and kind of see what's there. And then I'll dive into like Amazon or Etsy, et cetera, and look at what type of products for these particular keywords are doing well. But that's just one example. We could actually just dial this down a little bit and go more specific. So pickleball shirt. Now it's going to give me all of the related keywords to that particular term from the Amazon auto-suggested keywords. So pickleball shirts, pickleball shirt, funny pickleball shirts, pickleball shirt funny, shirts for men, shirts for women. Men, women, you get the idea, right? And even though these ones have no search volume, the fact that they're still appearing here means that they're appearing on Amazon as auto-suggested keyword, meaning they have enough demand, enough people searching for them for that to appear in this way. So always a good indicator here. You can see that there's just so many keywords, and that's even more specific. But that's a good example. Let's try just another sport like basketball. Run a quick search. And I wanted to show you just the sheer volume of keywords here. Like, let me just scroll so you can see how many keywords we're pulling together for you. And we do have AI that we're going to combine with this very soon that'll actually help you entirely write your product listing by analyzing the return results here, looking at real search volume data, competition data, based on either your design or your main keywords niche. We'll write your titles, descriptions, bullet points, etc. for Amazon. So lots of amazing things here. I just wanted to share this tool with you. It's fantastic. It takes a lot of the heavy lifting and the time it normally takes to find good keywords and brings it right to you. Right here, completely free at the moment. So give it a go. You can find it over at merchtitans.com. Go to the free tools. You'll see it here in the menu. And all it takes is you just sign up for a free account, verify your email. But that is it. If you have any questions at all, let me know by leaving a comment below. We'll talk soon.